Imagine having a professional video without any distracting watermarks. In this video, I will show you how to remove the watermark using a simple and a free AI tool. These user-friendly tools make it easy to achieve a clean and polished look in just a few clicks. So we're going to start by going to the website. So the website is called 123 apps. So this is just an easy website, but if you want to upgrade for more features, you can also do that. And then there are lots of things that this website can do. You can edit your video, you can screen record, like what I'm doing right now. I'm screen recording I'm recording the screen. You can also do that, but I'm using a different platform. And then another thing that you can also do is to use it as text to speech, or you can match videos. You can also add audio to your video. You can trim videos. There are lots of things that you can actually do with this platform. So if you want to use it, if you want to try it, you can just try it and go through what you can actually achieve in this platform. So today we are actually removing the logo from the video. So the option of for that is here, remove logo from a video. So we just click on that one, and then we come here to open, and then we're going straight through the video that we want to use to remove the watermark. Okay, so just click on any of those videos. Okay, so then you come here to this box. You see this box here with the plus sign, and then you just click on that. This is how simple it is. And then you just come here to this watermark. So this logo that we don't want, so we can just click on there, and then you just try to align it accordingly until you are satisfied until it covered the whole watermark. And then you can just push it a little bit, just make sure that you cover the whole watermark. And then the only thing that you need to do is to click apply. Then just like that, the watermark is gone. And then you come here to save, and then you just use the 720p to export your video, and then you click here, and then you wait for some few seconds, and then you save the image. You save your video. So that's how easy it is. Then you come, and then when you want to create, maybe let me just show you on another one. Okay, so now you want to bring more files into this so that you can remove the watermark. So you come here to files, and then you add the new video. So let's just take this one from video, and then we come here to open. Okay, so we've got a video here, and then we come here to, we need to select what we want to do. So we are removing the logo, so we just click remove logo, and then you go back to that plus sign box, and then you click on it, and then you come here to where the logo is, and then you just click on there, and then you try to align it accordingly. You align it until you cover the whole watermark. So just do like that, and then you come here to apply, and then the logo is no longer there. This is what we actually want to achieve. This is so nice, easy, and you don't need to do much. Then just like that, you are done. You come here and save your video again, your second video, and then you export it with the 720p, and then you just wait, and then you save it, and just like that we are done. There you go, you've got your video saved with no watermark. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorials for today. Up until next time, bye bye.